How you going, mate? Need a drink? You're a good boy. Oh, you smell like ass, but you're a good boy.
I think he lives here.
Looks like you needed a drink, so I just grabbed one of these. Extremely expensive bottles of water. Are you gonna tell anyone?
Your secret's safe with me. How do you know what it costs?
Groceries, running the family.
What?
My mum works for Woolies. She's about to start managing a local store. And this French stuff is high end. In fact, this whole party seems a little over the top. How many friends does this kid have? There's got to be at least 100 people there.
Maybe they're popular.
Is anyone that popular?
Or maybe the parents invited everyone in class and no one felt left out.
Maybe they're better for sure.
Or maybe the parents invited everyone in class so no one felt left out.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, that just happened. I'm not sure which is worse. That I'm not that popular or that I'm a bit of a show-off.
If it makes you feel any better, I'll be cringing with embarrassment for the rest of the night.
No, I agree. It is over the top. I wanted to take a few friends to the movies, but the parental units had other plans.
Let's start over. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Mandrake, so how long have you been carving?
About 10 minutes.
Good. You were good.
Yeah. I don't think so. It's fun off. The rest of it was fun though.
You know what's even more fun? Not spinning off and winning.
I bet. I don't know what happened at the end though.
Now, what happened is that it's impossible to pass on the outside of the track.
Why?
Because your tyres lost grip on the marbles.
There were marbles on the track?
No, not those kind of marbles. Rubber marbles.
Right. I have no idea what you're talking about.